Got up this morning and pack up 2 pallets. Now we're working with the 4-wheelers. This is the bigger one. This one came in, the frame was all bent up, so you can see I strip it down. I use a 2x4 a little bit and beat out the frame some. But I think I was more like about to break the well. So I decided just to leave it like that, but I gave it a proper inspection for the customer. Make sure all is well. This wheel is protruding a little bit. We're gonna have to find a way to make it not protrude, as to not get it damaged. As you can see, we're getting ready to move it up to a solid pallet and then strap it up. We're shipping out 2 this morning. This one is more of a lady's wheel. It's much smaller in stature. This one is in pristine condition, except the pallet is not. And you know, Kingston operate in such a way that you want to make sure that everything is pristine when you get to Kingston, so it's just easy for the forklift man. My hands are dirty. Started at 5 o'clock this morning. Want to make sure the forklift man could forklift it down with ease and put it in a vehicle for us to deliver it to the customer. I made a video with the first bike when I shipped it out. If you missed that, just ask me for it. I'm more than happy to resend it to you. And other than that one protruding wheel that could be damaged, I will probably just set that side, offset it on the pallet, because the bike is not as wide as the pallet. The pallet is 40 by 48. I don't think the bike is 40-inch wide, so we'll offset it on the pallet to protect it. As you can see, this pallet has room on the side, so we'll just offset it on one side to protect it. But here we are, about to ship them out. They're going to St. Elizabeth. This customer is going to have fun with his new wheels. And we're just elated to be a part of shipping his recreational vehicle for him.
See the 1,000 of it here? We have one lifted onto a blue pallet, which is a very sturdy pallet, the bigger one. And we offset it so the protruding wheel is not hanging off the pallet, so it's completely protected. The other one, we're going to move to a different pallet. We have Slim right now working on strapping them up. So we're going to get them all strapped up and get them ready to ship off to Jamaica. This one, the box was intact, so we're using the existing box to cover it. Still going to shrink wrap it a little bit, but we're going to move it onto this new pallet and get it ready to go. So here we are, both of them are ready to go, palletized.